So I've got this car in here today from Shoreview, Minnesota to fix a door dent. Hey, I'm Steven from Excel Dent Removal. We've got a shop location in Blaine, and today I'm using paintless dent removal to repair this door dent. Now this door dent here is about 2 to 3 inches in size, and the paintless dent repair process is the perfect way to remove these dents. Now, while this video is sped up so we can watch the paintless dent repair process a little bit faster, I will let you know that the average door dent repair is going to take anywhere from about 30 minutes to an hour to do. And this is because we go behind the panel, push the dent out, we do a little bit of tapping from the outside until we get some excellent paintless dent repair results. Now, if you are in the Shoreview area or anywhere in Blaine, Minnesota, and you would like a door dent repaired for your vehicle, I encourage you to give me a call here at 763-780-4000 or visit my website at exceldentremoval.com, and we'll get you some excellent results for your door dent repair. Thanks for watching, and check out some of these other videos.